on the roof. It'll be okay, Daddy. We'll figure it out.
What did she call me?
Okay, let's see what he says to that.
Did you just call me that? What?
We'll see what he says to that.
You gotta. Ooh. What do you call me?
I don't think I called you anything.
Oh yeah? Okay.
I guess we could ask him. What about Poppy?
I mean, shit, that's nice too.
What do you need, Benji?
You're gonna go to the apartments and then you're gonna go get Daddy's marked bills, okay?
What? What? Uh-huh. What? What just happened?
All right, go ahead.
Uh-huh.
Hey, she started this shit, not me, man. Not me. I'm the good boy here. I am the good boy.
He wants you to handcuff Leo?
No. He told me if I do anything towards Leo, he will put me in the basement in shackles and keep me there for the eternity.
Well, maybe you'd like it.
Wow.
Yeah, no, I don't like it. Like, he tells me he gonna put me there.
No, I know somebody who like it. You like it.
Ooh.
You pointed at me instead of KJ.
Yeah, I don't like it. Like, of course, you know, if it's me and a girl, yeah, like, a little bit kinky stuff, no worries.
Look.
Man, I'm on some weird energy today, man. I'm trying to get that fun. I'm trying to get my balance out, bro. I'm trying to get my balance out, bro.
Are you too high? Are you too energized?
I'm like energized. And then the girl trying to fuck me up again, like trying to fucking throw me off a little bit, but I was ready. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
like, was down in the body of the other day, though.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you something, okay?
What?
I was pushing Mota earlier, right? Then you know what the girl said to me?
What?
She said, "Don't worry, Daddy. It'll be all right." You know what I'm saying right now? Like, she's trying to fuck with my energy right now, man.
Oh, rale.
And then you know what she called me after?
What?
And she asked me if I prefer Papi.
No.
So I'm like, fucking trying to get my head in the game here, man. Fuck. I'm down in the fucking gutter right now, bro. I'm down in the fucking gutter right now, man.
She's telling me she'd like to be handcuffed, and then she calls you Poppy.
Yeah. I'm trying to fucking...
You have it all worked out. You have it all worked out.
Yeah, I do, KJ. I got it all worked out.
All worked out.
I live a good life, you know. Vice jefe of the barrio. Gotta shoot the blocks, you know. Fucking, paying my loans off, being broke, you know. What's up, man?